We're out here to do a couple small jobs. I'm just trying to finish off these door openings. I was going to use pallet boards, but I just didn't have enough good pallet boards, so we'll just use scraps we got left over. Once we paint, we'll put trim on. But I think this is as far as we'll go here. And I just finished off this here. Yeah, that was the last bit of wainscoting that had to be done downstairs. A couple months before we could really start painting in here, so I think we're gonna have to start doing trim work. I don't want to, but I may have to do it. Alright, let's trim the metal here. And we started trimming it out. Have to leave a gap on one side there so we can get the ceiling boards in, but just nip this corner here off. A little bit of sanding. That looks good. Just finish the bottom off. Another project ticked off. Alright. Well, we got another pallet with some clean wide boards on it. We're upstairs here. To pull this wainscoting off, I'm going to trim out this window, and I'll have to bring the wainscoting back up underneath it again. I'll have to figure that out. But this window's trimmed up. Wainscoting back in, and depending how fast that goes, we'll frame in this window here. Alrighty, got that finished. Wasn't too bad, turned out alright. Now this one. Okay, we're going to put a ledge on this one because we're pretty close to the wainscoting, so that's what we'll do. I think it'll look alright. Alright, that's our two projects for the day. I think it looks alright. Alright, we're out here today. I'm going to finish off the top of the wainscoting, so we'll top it off. 3.5 inch boards. And that's how we're going to finish it. We'll level it off. I think they'll look good. When I get a wall or two done, I'll show you the finished product. Alright. We figured out how we're going to do it. Put a trim piece above here and hide all that. Yeah. Make sure it fixes it up. I like the way it looks. When you get nice trim boards along the bottom, really makes a nice wainscoting. All right. Basically just continue on until we have all this done up here. All right, well, this is as far as we got. We've run out of pallets again, so I'll have to do some more checking today. All this trim is just one pallet, so find a couple more and we might be able to finish this off. All right. On to the next project. Alright, wainscoting topping is done. We still got the ceiling and walls to trim out, but managed to salvage up enough boards to finish it. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching. You guys have a good week.